What's up, gang? Got the bag back out, back at the house. Another video. Did two things. I'm gonna put this in the same video I had been doing over the week, man. So, where we at? Yeah. I'm gonna start off with had to do something. Had some issue with green, man. I got a name for it now. So, and hemi say. So, fortunately, you know what I'm saying. Hey, I don't need your judgment, but a new name for the green, man, you'll see it. You'll figure it out in a second, though. But had to do something myself because I didn't want to. I wouldn't call it cheap. I just refused to pay that much for that one wonder. So what I'm saying. Boom. Ain't gonna do good clarity. This is my first layer on it. So yeah, I did a tint on the wonder. I'm gonna redo it. It was just I feel like I need to do it. I slid it up on the side. First piece of 10 string right down the ground. I gotta clean it up. Just move it back. You know what I'm saying today. I ain't getting the dust flying too much. It wasn't clean well yet because I ain't feel like washing it then do it. So got some contaminants in it. I ain't gonna lie to you. None of them, none of them bubble things. I haven't rolled it down yet. But when I did my tent, this is how I look at it doing tent. You can't have that sweep right there. So your boy had to take the guy doggone. Oh, what the key is. Your boy had the guy doggone take that and yo panel off. And the crazy thing about it, I gotta do speakers in them. Speakers, I gotta do the highs. I got everything. I just don't have a drill to drill that hole out behind that panel back there. But that's what's in here. Scar. That's what Brill put in here. I'm doing all Pioneer. I don't need nobody's opinion on this car because this is not old. I gotta hit the corner with all that, this and this and that. Nah, I just want to build a solid, everything the same. Like I can't. The woofers and the amp can't be the same though. The woofer could be, but for the high and for the woofer. But my highs amp is Pioneer. Just doing, you know what I'm saying? Doing nothing for build myself, man. I ain't doing no mids in this car. This is a everyday work car, man. I ain't trying to do all that to this car. Maybe to that one, cause the same speakers in that though, same ones I'm putting in here. But you know what I'm saying, and the amp. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to come with it, bro, in my own lane. See what I'm saying? See, I did snap. Yeah, dope out on the back seat. I did this myself, bro. Yeah. Wind caught me a little bit, but I got it. Found out dope on. I got a little issue at the bottom when they did the audio in there last time. The character didn't take the dope panel off the right way, but we're gonna get that together. I don't care about what nobody else say about my car. It's mine. I built this car for me. You feel me? If you want it when I'm selling it, you take it as it is. You do what you want. But until then, I do it how I want. You feel me? That's why it's like that. Do what I want to my car. Still got the little tie flat issue I'm gonna get done. But other than that, yeah, she good. So still got done. I'm gonna take those eventually. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna take the laser, the tens out, and let's I do about 4 or 6. Cause they ain't hitting for some reason. I redid the black man and put that car back together. That more them four him and say, but she hitting hard. She is hitting hard. So hitting harder than these tens. Tens got a bigger amp, but I had to when I put it back together, EGR valve stuff. Oh yeah, I ain't on the video since then. I changed it with the EGR valve. I had a defective EGR valve, bro. Buddy sending me another one. I put the old one back on there. I'm doing better now. It's crazy. I was thinking it couldn't have been that, but as soon as I changed it, all my codes hit my screen. Not gonna mention the seller name, cause I don't knock nobody business, bro. I contacted him. Ask me that, well, like I'm not gonna, I'm sure, man. You know, and no problem. I'm not even mad at that, because guess what? These things ever come. They stuff like that, mechanical, with electrical stuff. They can be made. They can be defected when you make it. You know what I'm saying? You never know. It's just, unless you putting it on the car going down the block with it a couple times, but then it ain't new no more. You feel me? So yeah, he sent me a no problem. You know what I'm saying? This one ain't throwing the coals and nothing, but I know I need to put another one on there. I put it back on there with the old pipe. I had a new pipe and everything on there that went to two. I did run somebody when I ran my homeboy with the old one on there though, you know. You know what I'm saying? He was doing alright at the time. So yeah, you know, coming with it though. But yeah, for the green mag, I'm call this, since it's stuff that I did myself. I'm gonna call this the d.i.y. mag, man. No, I'm gonna call it the do it your goddamn self, man. That's what I did on that. But this one, d.i.y. I'm doing it myself. I ain't asking nobody about what should I put in something. I ask what I can do with this on that, cause I'm gonna do it myself. I mean, I get somebody to do it, but I don't want them to put me in what you got going on a car that don't nobody even care about it. I ain't gonna get none of that money back on this car. That's why I ain't even stressing selling no more. I put them in the yard. Can't come to me with no 3,500 for this car. Period. It ain't happening. Just letting you know that. I already set my price and I'm still putting money into it. Before him and Zay, like I say, both of them is up for sale. You gotta come with the price I'm talking about. I ain't talking about no reckless. Talk some numbers. You know what I'm saying? If you want it. But this one, I show you the good, bad, and ugly, boy. Somebody ran me off the road, boy. Well, no, they ain't run me off the road. They came over on me and almost hit me. They didn't hit me, but, you know, your boy had hit the pothole that he was trying to go over. Trying to come swerve over from him. So he wouldn't hit my car. So you know how that go. Because you know they ain't had no insurance. I ain't want my car messed up that bad. Then I got to put some money with it to paint it. When I ain't trying to paint it right now, I'm trying to get a truck. You feel me? So, something else. So the next person paint it. But yeah, I had to go immediately. Cause you know I don't want to deal with two. Oh, look at that bull crawling up. You can't see it for real. Yeah. But this one, boy. This side, boy. So you can see it if you look at it. I gotta get my vinyls, two of them redid. They got the paint. They got paint on. Had to get zapped up. And got dog. Hey man, if you in the Mobile area, I'm gonna be straight up with you, bro. If you need your rim, you got a bent, cracked rim, or you need to get them put on with tires, man. You gotta holler at my boy Archer, man. On Highway 45. He gonna get you right. You talking about no wait a couple days, none of that. I got, bro. Ain't no factory going on him, bro. Ain't no factory to put on him. So I got factories, but they ain't going on him for one rim. So they ain't been on him since I had the car. But shoot, he got me right though. You can't hardly see it. You know what I'm saying? Can't hardly see it, but yeah. Fucked up four balls. 4 balls. Here this happened back with the paint. I don't want to hear your negative comments about with rim welding. Bro, let me tell you something. When I got this car, this rim right here, if you can see it better, all these balls had a crack through the paint, right? You see the paint cracking. Some of them. So I done had it a year and a half. I done got ran off the road twice with it and then messed it up. And that's all cracks already in it that didn't go all the way through till this happened. 2 of them went through. He fixed all of them. There's none with it. Clean them back up. So I don't hear nobody no weld, because guess what? I had rims. He been welding my rims since. Ain't 2015. Yeah, 2015. He had to work on my 28s. It was on my Denali. He had to work on he supposed to work on these on d.i.y, man. But he was on vacation around that time. So I'm still taking. I already talked to him. I'm gonna take it back to him. He gonna hit all them. They ain't cracked. They just need to be clean and resealed. I'm talking about when he do it, bro. Let me give you some clarity, bro. I don't know what's up with them buddies around the corner, bro. This how you know he did it. You see that? You can see some of it right there. You see that sticking out on that tie? It's just motherfucking that bead seal ain't coming out on that tie, bro. They just rubbed it. They love tapped it. He running that bead seal all the way out on the rim, bro. I get that off. I love that. I know it's been done. All the other people, man, paid them to bead seal this rim twice. Both of them rims on the back of there, and they still leaks. Bro, they was flat before I put them on the car. I had to bring them back. One on. Then the second one, brought it back. The next day it went flat on me driving. And they charged me to get bends out the back of the lip. Some little bitty bends. But they seen it when they supposed to be bead sealed it. Instead of them fixing it and charging me, cause they charged me like $10 more than what they charged me to bead seal. They bead sealing the price was high as hell over there. And then they didn't get me right. I'm still leaking all the time. Like I just really had to back this rim up. But it's not leaking now because of the bead seal. It's leaking because I gotta get another tie. I'm telling you good and bad. Cause what it is, I had a nail in this tie. I plugged it at the time. I plugged it, but the plug leaks sometimes. You can push on it to stop. Sometimes pop back up and do it. Cause it's not in there right. Could get it done. Cause this ain't no, I'm not going to Georgia in this car like this. Like we done been to Georgia in this car. Actually, this car had been, me and Rojo back when he had the car, we went to the King of the South car show up there. Not last, I think it was 2019 we went up there in this thing, man. But I ain't going on these rims. We went up there. Came back, did some mods to it though. I had to finish the mods up and stuff. But I ain't going up there with this thing on it like that, man. I might take them off and do it, but this right here is where it is. This one going up there when I get done with it. I'll be act right. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I don't need nobody's opinion on that either. I'm addressing a lot of opinions because it's a lot of negative stuff out there. I see a lot of people always got stuff negative to say about coming here. I'm letting you know right now. Just save your typing, bro. I'm not gonna entertain that. I'm gonna tell you about it right now because I ain't gonna type. I'm not gonna comment back on nothing negative. You can look at my post anytime somebody says something negative. It never got feedback. Never got feedback. I look at it and keep going. I go turn the game on and play on them. You can't bring me down, bro. You gotta see me in person and do something. Bring me down. Boy, I'm active, so you know how that go. I'm just letting y'all know. Keep your negative comments. You can give me some advice. I take advice, but don't tell me don't tell me what I should do. What you would do. Like you got some people. You know what? That's for another story, another day. But hey, I'm sealed up. I'm back in the game. I'm back in the streets, trying to get in somebody's sheets. You feel me? I gotta clean them up. I hate doing videos when it's dirty, but I cleaned this car 4 times, 3 to 4 times. No, this be the 4th time today I done clean. If I clean it today, I'd be done clean it 4 times and ain't drove it nowhere. It's been sitting right here in this driveway. No, it's been sitting in the grass. Cause I can show you the mark where I the grass up a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna get it right though. Yeah, don't mind my dope panel. It's coming back soon. It's on the back seat. I can put it on now, but I think I want to do the speakers before I do it. I don't like taking them on and off by 12 times. That was the reason why I was gonna do the 10th, then come back and do it. But once it's off, I feel like if I had a drill bit, I'd go to work. But I really gotta find somewhere to mount this amp. Cause they got my woofer amp in the way of where I was gonna put the highs in. So I have nowhere really to mount it. I don't want to just lay it back down. I want it on the back of the seat with the other one. But, and that's where the wires ran to too. But, yeah, we about done, man. Pearl Motors. Didn't get it from them. I didn't. Shout out to my dog. I don't know if he still worked there. He got an RT man, same year mine. Even had it since about around a little bit after I got mine. He came a long way. He got it for sale. I think it's sold because I have not seen it at the spot where he still cars. But we know what's going on. I wanted his because roof rack. To be honest, I want a roof rack car. I won't put a roof rack on this one. Everybody I know with RT not around got a roof rack. Feel like mine supposed to have it automatically, but hey, what we at? 15 minutes? Oh, we got to go, man. Hey, man, Zay gang, we out. You did. Peace.